Hello, I am Dr. Vidos Mahate, Mechanical Engineering Department, SIRT. Today we will discuss over the gas welding, especially the different part of the gas welding. In this diagram, there is a different part of the oxyacetylene welding. So here there is a part, first one, that is a cylinder. So there is a two different type of gases are generally used in the arc welding. So there is a one cylinder for the acetylene welding, another one is for the oxygen. Second part, that is a regulator. So regulator for the regulate the supply of the gases from the cylinder, one for the acetylene, another for the oxygen. Here the hose pipe which connect the cylinder to the torch. So this one is a torch. Here is the main part of the gas welding, that is a torch. In a torch there is a different valves to control the supply of the oxygen, the acetylene gas to the mixing chamber. Here is the mixing chamber. So this one is a torch. The main parts of the oxyacetylene welding, that is a cylinders, regulators, hose pipe, and the torch. One by one we will discuss over all the parts in detail. So generally the oxyacetylene gas welding is done manually. The commonly used oxyacetylene welding setup, that is a welding torch with the setup of the tip, hose pipe, pressure regulators, cylinders which containing the oxygen and the acetylene gas under the pressure. And generally that is whole setup is mounted on the trolley that make it a portable. So first part, that is a torch. So we will discuss over this torch, welding torch, that is known as a welding torch. What is a welding torch? Welding this diagram for the welding torch. So simple, welding torch is a device. What is a device? This one is a device used for mixing the two gases in proportion for the purpose of the burning, and then burning at the tip of the torch. This one is a tip of the torch, and here is the producing of the flames. So torch has the handle. This one is a handle of the torch, at the one end of which are inlet connection. So in this diagram there is inlet connection of the oxygen and the acetylene gas. So which are the inlet connection for the gases, and valve for controlling the quantity of the gases. So here is a two valve, one for the oxygen and one for the another for the acetylene gas. So there is a arrangement of the two different type of the valve in this torch. Okay, thanks.